Before we fetch the API, I just want to share you guys a little bit about Vue. So go to about.vue, and essentially every Vue file will have 3 sections: template, script, and style. We won't be using a lot of style because we already have a default.css and we already configured it in our nux.config.js, and go here, so that all of our pages will have the default.css. We don't have to do any sort of like styling for the time being. And I just want to share you guys that the functionality of Vue. The first thing you need to do is you want to do export default and then pass in data. So this data, your template can access all of the key here. For example, you return a name, about me, I'm awesome. And if you change this to name, it will reflect to this name. So let's go to Google Chrome. We want to open a new tab and type localhost 8000 and about. You can see that it reflects, it follows the data in here. So we can play around, we can see what how are we going to use this in a future video, right? And most likely we're gonna call an Axios in here and paste it here, right? So another thing that we can do is we can create a method. And on click and alert, I'm here. Or you can actually take this name and put it inside here. So let's put this.name, and in order for you to access this, you gotta type this.name. This is referring to, okay, you can imagine that Vue is like class basis, like where if you've done programming before, you have a class dog, and then you have an attribute like name and so on. So you want to access this attribute or key, you type this.name, then only you can access. If you don't do this, then you're gonna get an error. So let's delete this, and let's create a button and call it @click. This is how you want to access this method, @click, and the name of the method, which is @click. But you're gonna see an error. Let's hover to it. The template root requires exactly one element. In Vue, you cannot do it something like this. You gotta make it like, you gotta have like a parent tag like div. If you do something like this, then you won't show the error. So let's try. Let's do this. Click me and go here. There's a button, and let's click, and there you have it. It shows about me, I'm awesome. So let's try to delete this. What's gonna happen? And there you have it. There's nothing inside. And last but not least is a model. So input v model name. Okay, save this, and let's go here, and you can see it shows the model of the name, which is about me, I'm awesome. What if we delete this? See, it's a two-way binding, so it will follow whatever you type in. So let's say great is great, and if you click me, what will it show? It will show nothing because we haven't changed to this. Let's save it, and let's refresh this. And if you click again, there we have it, about me, I'm awesome again. But let's change to greatness and click, and it will show greatness. So this is what Vue can do. It make your functionality within a component so that it's easier for you to debug and build one feature and make it very, very good at it. For example, like you want to create a search feature, you put it underneath component, you create a search.vue, and then you just build a method or a data set related to that search only. And if you face a problem in the future, it's very easy for you to like debug. And if you're confused why there's nothing here, because I click another terminal, so you can go here. So that's about it. In the next video, we will actually fetch the data. I'll see you guys in the next video.